Assuming that you're searching for Algorand cost expectation scores for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Algorand Algo will go from here on out. We will investigate the previous costs of Algorand Algo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Algorand outline. Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It was established by Silvio Micali, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different enterprises, including blockchain, money, and network safety. A few critical highlights of Algorand include: versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated evidence of stake, PPAs, that permits it to handle exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for huge scope applications. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by vindictive entertainers, incorporating those with huge figuring power. Decentralization. Algorand is a decentralized stage, meaning it isn't constrained by any single element. This guarantees that the organization is impervious to control and misrepresentation. Algorand has various expected applications, including production network, the executives, advanced personality, resource following, and decentralized finance DeFi. It has likewise been utilized as the basic stage for the improvement of various decentralized applications dApps in these and different regions. We foresee future Algorand cost expectations. Algo conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Algorand. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the Algo coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Algorand market cap, Algorand volume, and not many more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Algorand value forecast synopsis. Algorand cost gauge recommends a chance of Algo exchanging between $331 to $14018 in 2025. Long haul examination recommends that Algorand cost might actually flood to $196.75 by 2050, with a possible reach somewhere in the range of $189.22 and $214.92. Algorand Algo is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $252 continuously 2030. The cost of one Algo would reach as high as $157.46 by 2040. With the ongoing cost of $0.18892, Algorand holds its ground on the lookout. Algorand value expectation 2024. The cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $1.371 in 2024. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.2742, with the typical cost of $1.2447 all through 2024. Algorand value forecast 2025. Algorand cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $3.31 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $4.18, with the typical gauge cost of $453. Algo value figure for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2026 the cost of Algorand is gauged to be at around a base worth of $4,783. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of $5.59, with the typical exchanging worth of $4.21 in US. Algorand Algo value expectation 2027. Algorand cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.6834 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $347, with a typical estimate cost of $0.7080. Algorand value forecast 2028. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at least value worth of $101. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.19, with the typical worth of $0.05. Algorand value expectation 2029. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.43. The algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.74 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.48. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2030. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $212 in 2030. The Algorand cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $252 with the typical cost of $219 all through 2030. Algorand Value Gauge 2031. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least worth of $307 in 2031. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $367 with the typical exchanging cost of $316 all through 2031. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2032 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $438. The Algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $535 with the typical exchanging cost of $454. Algorand Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $650 in 2033. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $763 with a typical exchanging cost of $673 all through 2033. Algorand Value Conjecture 240. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with useful applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Algorand cost conjecture for 2040 sale, Algo is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $157.46 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Algo coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $130.41, while the typical cost of the Algorand for 2040 is projected to be $139.89. Algo Value Estimate for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is urgent. However, opinion can be flighty. Analyzing current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the greatest cost of Algorand is supposed to reach $214.92, with a typical exchanging worth of $196.75. The base cost is projected to be around $189.22. Algorand Value Figure Facts. What amount does Algorand cost in 2025? The cost of Algorand will increment as additional financial backers engage in the undertaking. In year 2025, Algorand will be worth about a normal cost of $353. What is the Algorand cost today? Today, Algorand Algo is exchanging at $1.1892 with the market cap of $1,544,519,281,000. Is Algorand Algo a wise venture? Algorand's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will